Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Welcome to our presentation on Docker. Today we're going to take a look at what Docker is, its importance in modern development, and how to install and use it effectively. We'll cover the essential commands, managing containers, and an introduction to Docker Compose. This session aims to provide you with the knowledge and tools needed to leverage Docker in your development workflow. Let's go ahead and get started. Docker is a platform for building, deploying, and managing applications using lightweight containers. These containers are isolated environments that include everything needed to run an application, making Docker crucial for modern software development and deployment. This guide covers installing Docker on Linux, basic Docker commands, and managing containers. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation for using Docker. Here's a comparison of Debian-based systems with Red Hat-based systems. Docker supports various Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, and Fedora. Ensure your system is up to date and install the necessary prerequisites and confirm Docker is installed and running. Docker allows you to run applications in isolated containers. Use a command to pull the Ubuntu image, start a container, and open a bash shell inside it. Managing Docker images effectively is essential for maintaining efficient workflows. Images are the foundation of containerized applications, and pulling them from Docker Hub allows easy deployment. Regularly cleaning up unused images can free up valuable disk space. Additionally, tagging images helps with version control, while multi-stage builds optimize both image size and performance. Managing Docker images effectively is crucial for maintaining a clean and efficient environment. Start by pulling the necessary images using Docker pull. You can then view your local images with Docker images, and tagging images with Docker tag helps in version control, while removing unused images with Docker RMI can free up valuable disk space. Finally, Docker history allows you to inspect the layers of your images for better understanding. Here's some essential Docker commands crucial for managing containers effectively. Key commands include Docker pull for downloading images, Docker run for launching containers, and Docker ps to list active containers. Additionally, learn how to remove containers using Docker rm and create data volumes with Docker volume create. Become familiar with these commands. This will enhance your Docker proficiency and experience. Volumes help persist data beyond a container's life. Learn how to create and mount a volume for data storage. To set up Docker Compose, first install Docker Compose. Next, create a Docker Compose.yml file or a YAML file to define your application services. Finally, start the application using Docker Compose using the Docker Compose up command. Docker Compose is a tool that simplifies the management of multi-container applications. It allows defining services, networks, and volumes in a single file, streamlining the orchestration of containerized applications. This tool is ideal for development, testing, and staging environments, particularly useful for microservices architecture. In summary, this guide covers installing Docker on Linux, running your first container, and managing your Docker environments. It highlights the importance of Docker's ecosystem, regular updates, image management, and using Docker Compose for multi-container applications. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's given you a good head start on installing and running Docker on your Linux system. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.